Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Spykar. In this video I'm going to talk about how you can actually decrease the back panel vibration in the Realme GT 60 device. So this is the Realme GT 60 which I got right now, and previously I did upload a lot of videos regarding the back panel vibration as well, and I did do the side-by-side comparison with the OnePlus 12R, and I did get a lot of comments asking me to make a video how to decrease and how to avoid the back panel vibration near this camera portion. So right now I'll try to use this exact rise so on the back panel, and we'll try to fix the issue, and we'll try to check whether the vibration got decreased or not in the Realme GT 60 device. That's what I'll try to demonstrate in this video. So first thing is that by using this process, the volume will decrease slightly, but that will definitely decrease the vibrations on the back panel in this Realme GT 60 device. So first you need to go to settings option, and once you're in the settings option, try to type the exact mono audio. As you can see, so this is what you need to go to the settings and try to click on that, and here you do get the option of changing the left and right speaker. So right now you need to completely move this arrow mark to the right side, so which will prevent the top speaker from working. Only the bottom speaker will be working in the Realme GT 60 device, and this will completely eliminate the vibrations on the back panel in the Realme GT 60 device just by changing this small option. But as I said, the volume will decrease, so because of this reason. So right now I'm going to show you the back panel vibration by playing with the full volume in the same audio which I've used for the demo. So let me to play the audio. As you can see guys, right now the volume has been slightly decreased, but definitely the back panel vibrations, we cannot see anything in this Realme GT 60 device. So as soon as you change the ratio to the in the middle, you will start seeing the vibrations happening on the back panel in this Realme GT 60 device. So these are only settings where you can actually change the complete to the right side. So by doing this, the top speaker will be completely zero. So the top speaker will not work, only the bottom speaker will be working at this time. So that's something you can do only to avoid the vibrations in the Realme GT 60 device. So at this moment, this is the only solution we got, because since this is an hardware thing which we cannot change with the software, so temporary this is the option which is available right now for the Realme GT 60 users. So let me know in the comment section below what are your thoughts on this one. If this is helping you or not, let me know in the comments. But meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until then, signing off, until stay tuned for more updates, and bye.